students, Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you are well and fine at your home. Today we will continue our explanation of page number 12, question number 4. Raj has rupees 100. He spent fourth part of amount to buy Langdu mango and spent rest of the 3/4 part to amount of to buy to Kesar mango. Now in the question you can see 100 rupees is given to you, right? From this 100 rupees he bought a 1/4 part of amount to buy Langdu mango. That means 100 into 1 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 25s are. That means from 100 rupees, 25 rupees is he spent to buy Langdu mango, right? अब 25 रुपीज़ उसने खर्चे तो किए, बट उसने कितना केजी परचेज किया Langdu mango, that we have to find. Now cost, in the starting of this paragraph it is given that cost of Langdu mango is rupees 50, right? For 1 kg cost is rupees 50. So 25 rupees में कितना kg purchase होगा, that we have to find. Cross multiply, that is 25 into 1 divided by 50, right? 25 ones are 25 twos are. That means cost of half kg 25 रुपीज़ में कितना Langdu मैंगो परचेज़ किया, 25 kg. अब 100 में से 25 रुपीज़ तो उसने Langdu मैंगो परचेज़ किए, तो अब कितने बचे, 75 रुपीज़. तो 75 रुपीज़ का उसने क्या परचेज़ किया, केसर. बट कितना kg परचेज़ किया वो हमें फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. So cost of 1 kg Kesar mango is how much, 150 rupees. That is also given in the question, okay? 150 rupees. Cost of 1 kg is 150 rupees. Cost of 1 kg is 150 rupees. So 75 rupees में कितना kg purchase होगा, cross multiply, that is 75 into 1 divided by 150. 75 ones are 75 twos are 150. So again from 75 rupees कितने kg purchase किए, half kg, right? So here from 75 rupees he purchased half kg of Kesar mango. Now we will move ahead. Try to speak rapidly. Now here some tongue twister is given for fun. You can try it by yourself. Okay. Now next, Women Amra Bank of Mango Producer. The meeting of Women Amra has just started. Madhuban, its a chairman. The bank is established by 20 members. Every member saved rupees 25 per month and deposited in the bank. How many rupees are collected by this group in every month? How many rupees will be collected in 10 years? This you have to try by yourself, okay? I will explain you the next question, this practice one, okay? Rekha borrowed a loan of rupees 4,000. उसने लोन परचेज किया बैंक में से 4,000 रुपीज़ का. She paid rupees 345 to bank every month for a year. अब उसने लोन परचेज़ किया है तो उसको रीपे बैक करना पड़ेगा एवरी मंथ, राइट? तो एवरी मंथ शी इज़ पेइंग बैक टू द बैंक रुपीज़ 345, राइट? हाउ मैनी रुपीज़ डिड शी पे टू बैंक? अब उसने बैंक को कितने पैसे पे कर दिए पूरे साल में. हाउ मैनी रुपीज़ आर येट टू बी पेड, और हमें ये देखना है कि कितने अमाउंट अब बाकी रहते हैं. तो हमें मंथली का अमाउंट दिया है कि 345 रुपीज़ फॉर मंथली. तो पूरे ईयर में कितने अमाउंट उसने पे किए होंगे, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. So now 345 we will multiply by 12 because we have to find out for the year. So 345 multiply by 12. If you multiply 345 by 12, what you will get amount? That is 4140. 4140. 4000 तो उसने पे किया है, साथ में उसने जो लोन लिया था उसका इंटरेस्ट भी उसने पे किया है, राइट. तो इज़ देयर अमाउंट इज़ लेफ्ट, तो इसका मतलब कि नो अमाउंट इज़ लेफ्ट टू बी पेड. ओके.